I think I saw, there they are right there in that Malibu. I love when people pull up in cars like this. Hold on, you see it? Mismatching bumper. Let's go. Get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. All right, y'all. You already know what to do, man. Smash that thumbs up button if at any moment in time that you like anything that I say, you guys. Make sure you go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for your boy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And everybody that's subscribed, if you haven't already, you need to go ahead and hit that notification bell and then click the all button. That way, every single dang time that I post something on YouTube in general, you will know what's going on. And then do not forget to check out the links in the description below, you guys. Check that out, man. I got the links to my social medias if you want to get a hold of me. I also have a whole bunch of free ways for you to make some money. I know I say that on every single video, but I'm going to keep on saying it. You guys haven't been using my links in a while. I actually see that, y'all. But shout out to everybody that did and made some money. And then also, I got some referral links down there for you guys if you guys want to get like my equipment that I use, the code reader, my jump pack. Well, 2 jump packs that I actually use and that I recommend. So everything down there, like I told you guys before, I use every single thing. You guys can use it too if it's gonna make your life a little easier. So anyways, man, we're on this highway like we always are. I'm on my way to, matter of fact, look, we got a little fast little car in front of us. Y'all tell me what that is, because I don't know. Y'all know I know about cars that I sell, not about like the muscle cars. So you guys know all about that stuff. I am in a Cadillac XTS today, you guys. Let me actually drive past it. I kind of want to see what kind of car this is. I know you're gonna speed up. Let's see. What kind of car is that, y'all? That is I don't know. Not gonna lie. It sounds pretty good though. Look, he gonna try to race me, watch. I can tell. Look. Oh no, he wanna let me over. Okay. 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 He better than me. I got a fast car, I'm going. But anyways, my bad, I got distracted, y'all. We got a lot of stuff going on, you guys. So I'm running out to the office, or the office in the storage, man. I gotta talk to the mechanic out there. He's got like making me a little mad. Everybody's been making me a little mad lately if you've been watching my vlogs. But he's making me a little mad because he's like starting on cars and then not finishing them and then jumping to another car. And then when customers come up, then he starts on that car. It's like, I'm not going to yell at him, not gonna do any of that. I'm just gonna like suggest to him like, hey, maybe we should get us a whiteboard or something. That way you can be more, you know, I don't know how you would say that, like time conscious, I guess, right? Like I want him to be more organized, and then I want him, he's not, I don't employ him, y'all. I just, basically he's a contractor. He owns his own business. That's what he does. And then he does work for me. But I'm just seeing like, he's terrible with time management, man. That's all I can say. So, I'm going to holler at him, man, and then just tell him like, man, we got to figure out a better way for you to be able to knock out this work, because we have cars like I have cars that's been sitting there, like maybe like 4 or 5 cars that's been out there right now. And then it's confusing the crap out of me because like Tremaine or Antoine will drop a car off, and then all of a sudden that car is done before the 5 cars has already been there. And so I've had cars that I've done that, like I dropped off, I was like, hey, I need this one done, but you know, working in the time that you can get to it. And then all of a sudden he's knocking out their cars. Now you guys know that every car that I buy usually isn't a big job, but he's been like making it seem like it is, and I'm getting a little mad. So I'm just gonna talk to him, man, like on a business assertive note, you know what I'm saying, and just let him know what I expect from him and what I need him to do. Speaking of big jobs, you guys, I don't think I even put this car on the actual, oh yeah, here he comes speeding up. I don't know if y'all can see him, but anyways, my bad, I lost my train of thought again, y'all. Oh, big job. So I got a Ford Edge out at Brian's right now. That's gonna get a motor in it. It's been sitting there literally for like a week and a half, man. I have to drive by his shop every day, so I see my car still sitting out there. So he's not even started on that. So I'm waiting on him to get that done, and then we'll kind of go from there and see what happens. But yeah, man, just a couple of mechanics just starting to drop the ball, and that's why I use a lot of them, you know what I mean? So that's that, man. Detail shop, I got a car out there, the Honda Civic, that's done. So I'm gonna go out there, pick that up. My aunt did not buy the Dodge Grand Caravan over the weekend, but I'm not tripping. I've been getting a lot of people hit me up on that. I did post it to a group, a Facebook group, and people are hating. But then there's a lot of people that's defending as well. But it's just funny, man. I should actually screen record it and then put it in this clip. I think I'm gonna do that. But y'all need to check that out. But anyways, man, I know I'm talking y'all ears off, but let's get to these cars, let's get to the magic, and let's get it. Here we are, y'all, at the lot, man. We actually, oh shit. I didn't mean to cuss, y'all. My bad. Drop something. We at the lot, y'all. And I wonder what happened back here on this thing. That ain't mine. But anyways, man, we are here, and I'm showing the Chevy Avalanche. The dude's actually test driving right now. Couldn't really get y'all updated because I kind of got bombarded with a customer that I didn't know that was coming. So it is what it is, y'all. But what we're doing right now is we messing with some cars. We got somebody that might come out and grab that today. Actually, 2 people hit me up about it. I'm getting ready to mess with this Santa Fe, you guys. I want to verify something, and I think I'm correct. When I got a car wash on this thing, I don't know if I remember, well, I don't know if you guys remember me telling you that the water got all up in the motor somehow, and I don't get how it went through this rock guard, but it was super wet, and I was having trouble starting it up that day, so I let it sit, and I came back and the battery's dead. So I'm hoping that my alternator's not fried. I'm gonna start it up, let it run for a little bit, and then we'll see what happens. I took some more pictures of the Chevy Sonic right here, you guys, today. I'm gonna repost it. Twan had took some pictures, but his pictures low-key sucked. He only did like 4 pictures of the outside and like 2 pictures of the interior. And so I haven't been getting any hits on it. So I decided to come out here and do it myself. So man, this is let me show y'all this thing, man. I think I showed y'all this yesterday. Yeah, I really did. But I wanna show y'all again, man, because I'm so impressed by the interior of this joint, man. And this is what is selling this car, man. This is the van that I was telling y'all about that people are giving me, like heckling or whatever. And so this is why they're heckling, because of that hood and because it has rust. Now, we live in Minnesota, y'all. This is common. This is not uncommon. The only thing that's uncommon is that right there, because we don't live anywhere where the heat usually will make a hood turn like that. But it is what it is. We're gonna get that thing sold, and it's gonna go to a family that needs it. You know what I mean? But anyways, let me start messing with this Santa Fe. Hopefully we'll be straight, man. But I'll let you. Okay, y'all, so she's running. We good, man. Check engine light is still on from last time. It wasn't on before it got all wet or whatever. So I'm gonna go and read the codes when I get a code reader, because I left mine in the van like a dum-dum, but it's all good. I'm gonna let that like charge up, let that battery charge up, and then we'll see what's happening, man. Let's see if this dude came back yet. Tweezy here with the young Durango, man, an RT joint. You know what I'm saying? Can't get y'all his license plate, but yeah, that's the Durango RT. Hold on, man. Thought it was a little rack that just came out of there. But look, man, let me show y'all what we got going on. And then here's my old pride and joy, man. I don't know what's going on with her, man. She just been tripping. Like, I don't know. She act like she want to get sold. I don't want to sell her, but can't have no feelings attached to these cars, y'all. So he's not back yet. His wife, I don't know if she went with him or not, but they in that van over there, that Toyota Sienna. All right, y'all, so that dude did not buy the Avalanche, man. The Santa Fe didn't start back up. So whatever, you want to call it a little bad news, I just call it a little stepping stone, so I ain't tripping. Malibu right here, y'all didn't see that just a little second ago, but this thing, we're gonna give it a cold start, and then you're gonna be that dude rides a lot of bikes like those. You got like all different types. Anyways, I'm about to bring this joint to the exhaust shop because it's a little bit loud past my liking. So let me let y'all hear this real quick. So y'all hear that? That sounds like a flex pipe. So I'm getting that done, man. I'm not even finna play around with it. I'm trying to get all my money out of this car. And then it's got that evap code because of the exhaust leak, I'm assuming. So I want to get that taken care of. So that's what we're gonna do. So I will see you guys once we get there, I guess. Yeah, like if y'all hear that, man, that just sounds terrible. To me, that's just not, somebody come out, they want to spend, you know, $5,000, $5,500 on a car or something like that. Like, you don't want to be hearing no exhaust, you know, no loud exhaust noise. So why not pay the extra $100 to just avoid all that, keep a happy customer, and you deliver a good product. Like, as y'all can see, man, I got this thing detailed, got this thing all nice and clean. And so I'm happy with the product so far. So let's just get to it, man. I will see you guys at the next destination. Okay, y'all, so waiting on the customer for the Grand Caravan to come now. I then came back to the office, Once again, we got one of them cars that decide they want to be who they want to be. So this dang van, the AC been blowing cold this whole time I didn't have this car, y'all. Get in there now. Now the AC's not cold. Then it started making that idle tensioner pulley noise again. So when it was going for at least a week, so now it's like So anyways, man, I know it's a good running van, but we'll see, man, once they come out, man. Now that's just, at this point, I'm just gonna get rid of it. Like, if they give me a decent offer, then it is what it is. Because I'm not finna hold on to something that keep on doing what it wants to do when it wants to do it. Like, for real, for real. Also, got word on the 5 of the cars of what we bought over the last week, and they will be here tomorrow. So we're gonna pick those joints up. I mean, well, not pick them up. They're gonna be getting dropped to us, but we will be moving them from here to our storage. So you guys will be able to see those cars tomorrow. And see what we got, man. So that's dope. So I guess I'll see you guys in a second. Hopefully we got a money face and everything will be Gucci for the day. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Customer just said they're pulling it up, so I don't see them yet, but I think I saw, there they are right there in that Malibu. I love when people pull up in cars like this. Hold on. You see it? Mismatching bumper. Let's go. I'm gonna sell this car. Let's get it, man. Money face, man. That thing is out of there. It's finito. It's gone. You see it? It's not there no more, man. So I'm happy about that. That thing is gone, man. She drove it. We went around the highway for a good 5 minutes. She's like, this is what I need. It's perfect. It's reasonable. I'm gonna be able to put my kid in here and we good. So, and she was cool with everything. So I'm happy about that. The welder guy / exhaust guy hit me up on that Malibu, and that thing needs a resonator and a flex pipe. So that's going to hit me for less than $200. How much did he say? 180. So it's going to be 180 bucks. Have that done. And then was actually in the middle of posting it. So I'm going to post this car right now. That way we have that up and running online. No, actually, I'm going to wait. I'm going to take better pictures. So when I bring it back, I'm going to take better pictures. Then I'm gonna get it posted. I reposted the Sonic. I took those better pictures. And so we just waiting on some hits, man. So it just feels good to have, this stuff done, man. So I'm gonna mark this thing as sold, man. Blue Faces is the way to be. And it's Monday, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So everything is officially done that I could get done today. We did not get everything accomplished, but we will be finishing that stuff out tomorrow for everybody. I didn't even tell you guys I'm going on vacation in the next couple of days, man. So I'll be going for the weekend. Yeah, another vacation, man. So I'm out of here. This is probably going to be the last one for a very long time because we got to get back to this money, y'all. So anyways, man, so I did pick up the Malibu, y'all. I just literally forgot the camera in this car. So that thing sounds way better than it did before. So I went ahead and posted it, took new pictures of it. Looks really, really good. So hopefully we can get some hits, get this thing sold, and then move on to the next one, man. So I will see you guys tomorrow on the next vlog, man. I might try to get out. Hopefully this week I can get y'all an auction walk around video. If not, it'll be next week, because just from what it's looking like, I'm pretty much selling my car as soon as I post them. So we gotta most definitely try to keep that 25 car around 25 mark for the inventory around. That way we're not, we don't go back down to like when we were sitting at like 5. Like I do not want to ever do that again. So let's just keep it moving and grooving, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Peace.